It's going live. Not yet. Pag nakita nyo na nandun sa screen, it's live.
Yeah. It says meeting is now streaming live on custom live streaming service.
That was fast. The last time we did the last time we did this, we had 30 extra minutes.
No, almost an hour.
Almost an hour. Yeah. I think we're live. Let me see. Let me see if I can see it. Yeah, I think we're live. It says here we're live. Oh yeah, we're live. Hi folks, good evening.
Hi, good evening. Kamusta ang co-quarantiners?
Di ba kayo lumalabas? Have you guys not gone out of the house?
No, I haven't. Since the quarantine started.
Well, you are a privileged woman. You're a privileged woman because I am a glorified utusan. So I'm the person tasked to do the groceries, run errands outside. So I have to go out every once in a while. But if you go out now, parang normal na eh. There's traffic.
There's traffic? Yeah, I saw the photos. I was wondering kasi if that was edited or not because pag hindi ka nakakalabas, I really have no idea.
Right. Well, it's a normal scene now. Highways, I think even malls nung weekend dinagsa kasi marami talagang na-excite yata lumabas. And there was a warning, di ba? Sabi nila, just because we move from ECQ to GCQ, it doesn't necessarily mean it's already safe.
Yes.
We're just doing it for the economy, so we still have to be cautious when we go out. You wear your masks, face shields if you have. I don't know if it's ideal to wear PPEs sa malls, di ba?
Yes. Hi Alan Aceron. Good evening. Nanonood si Alan ngayon.
Uy, talaga ba?
And then, yeah. Hi, darling. Namimiss ko na sila, darling, tsaka si Allen. Hi, Win Quintanar.
Saan sila, Allen?
Allen is from Manila. Hi, Win Quintanar from Butuan.
Hey, guys.
Hello.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in.
Hi, everybody. Yes, kasi magpaparaffle tayo. I hope the ones who joined the contest are also watching tonight.
Yes, hopefully, no. We ran this contest on the 18th, tama ba?
Yes,
May 18th. We ran a contest called Help, Share, and Win. So we wanted to have some contents there that we wanted to spread out organically. So we decided to run a contest. So what are we gonna? What's the contest mechanics?
The post that we asked them to share is actually there's kasi na to save the maritime industry. There's nagkakaisa yung mga unions, different maritime organizations. Kasi delikado talaga ngayon yung industriya dahil crew change na. Dun sa mga hindi nakaka-familiar, yung crew change kasi yung mga seafarers hindi na may certain extent lang kung hanggang gaano sila katagal pwedeng mag-stay dun sa barko para magtrabaho. Kasi 'di ba, tayo nga na ECQ tayo. Nakakawindang, 'di ba? Sila pa na dagat lang talaga yung nakikita pag sila on board. So, yun kailangan silang palitan. Ngayon, ang nangyayari, may mga nakakalungkot kasi kahit siguro nakikita naman natin sa messenger ng Tinig ng Marino DGTV, may mga crew na ang pumalit daw sa kanila, ibang lahi na.
Oh, I see. So usually pero regular naman na nangyayari yung mga crew changes na yan, di ba?
Yes, usually for every month before the COVID, yung nagde-deploy ang Pilipinas ng around 50,000 seafarers. So, you can imagine na dahil nagkaroon ng ECQ, nagkaroon ng pandemic, for 2 months nakatenga yung iba.
I see.
Oh, wow.
So, hi, galing kay Darling. Hello daw, Wendell, sabi ni Darling.
Hi, Darling.
Hello, Ma'am. Darling, I miss you. Hello kay Joanne, ang aking BFF from Bataan. Hi, Jo, I miss you. Kay Edita Fuertes. Hi, Edita. Tsaka kay Edson Torrefranca. Hello, Edson. Kamusta? Pati kay King Ryan Duerme.
Wow. Hello, guys. Hello. Hopefully, after this pandemic, no, everything goes back to normal. Hindi pa natin talaga sigurado kung hanggang kailan. Some are saying it's gonna be until December, but hopefully mas earlier para at least we can go to the places. You know, sabi mo kanina, you have a BFF in Bataan. When was the last time that you visited Bataan?
Oh my God, a long time ago. A few months ago na. Actually, nagmotor kami. So from Manila to Bataan and then to Subic, nagmotor kami ni Miguel. So mga ilang hours lang. Yun, mas mabilis pag nakamotor. Sakit lang sa puwet, pero
okay. So you wanna do this? What are we gonna do?
From Glenn Indoyan Gupana. Good evening po. Watching from Butuan City. Maayong gabi ni mo diha humanakag panihapon, Glenn. Ako po'y panihapon kay gapaniwang ko. Char.
Kasabot ko, gamay, Bisaya. Osman, kasabot ka Bisaya? Kabalo ka Bisaya?
Hindi po, wala.
Okay, i-auction na natin si Osman. Para sa mga ladies dyan, Osman is single.
Oh my gosh. We need to stop this. I can't be. Yeah. Okay. Next topic.
Next topic. Baka that could be our next contest, you know. Why is Osman parang matchmaking for Osman?
No. Osman, you're
yeah. No.
Ready to find the special someone. Who knows? We might be able to find it while we're doing the show, diba?
Yeah, there's a possibility. But for now, I'm happy being single. Yeah.
I don't know. You didn't sound happy at the beginning of the quarantine.
For those of our viewers tonight, for those of our viewers tonight who are ladies, we have someone in this panel that's single and available.
Oh, I wonder who.
Looking for years already. So if may mga marireto kayo, why not? Diba?
Why not? Diba? Wens, natin yung first winner?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nasa na ating mahiwagang anong tawag dyan?
Okay. So review lang natin yung instructions natin for the contest, guys.
Okay.
Let me share the screen para at least makita nila how we're gonna be doing this. And I'm just gonna make sure na the screen that's gonna pop up doesn't show our pictures. Wait lang.
Baka nandiyan naman yung couch po. Picture behind.
Alright. You guys can see the screen?
Yep.
This was the contest we ran on May 18th. So we wanted this content shared. So ito lang yung mechanics natin, no? Help, share, and win. Tulungan nating ikalat ang impormasyong ito para makatulong sa mga marino at manalo ng 100 pesos na load today. So the rules are very simple. Like and follow Tinig ng Marino DGTV. Check yan. Like and share this post. Tapos i-post ito in public kasama ang hashtags na hashtag Tinig ng Marino DGTV, hashtag Help Filipino Seafarers. And today is the day that we're going to be drawing this. So we will just be, simplihan lang natin yung mechanics natin. No? We'll be using a tool called Woobox apps. No, what's this gonna do is that eto na yung mga nag-react sa post natin, nag-share, nag-comment, lahat yan, nasa isang buong list yan. So all in all, we had like 130, I think 46 plus 73. Osman, was that 119, no? 119 people that we're gonna be picking winners. So what I'm gonna do is very simple. I'll just click this, pick winners, and then it will show me a name. So ready na ba tayo?
Basically, may pahabol, sabi ni Darling, hello, Sir Osman. You look like my ex-boyfriend, Sir Osman.
Okay.
Wow.
Is that a good or bad thing?
Yeah, is that a good or bad thing, Darling?
No. The question is Darling single?
No, kasi sabi niya ex-boyfriend.
Yeah.
Sayang, Osman. Sayang.
Baka may kamag-anak ka, Darling, na pwede mong ireto. Hi, Riza from Davao.
Hi, Riza. Mayong gabi. Yan.
Hey, first winner?
Tayo ng winner. O sige, i-click ko na to in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala tayong sound effects ngayon. So isa lang muna pick natin. Eto na!
And the winner is... Where is
the winner is... We have picked the winner. So lalabas siya dito.
Okay.
Ang na-pick natin is si Drew Eli.
Eli or Ellie?
I don't know, but the name is Drew Eli.
Eli. Eli.
Yes, Drew Eli. So that's the first winner.
Congratulations, Drew.
Congratulations.
How's he gonna claim this?
Please PM Tinig na Marino DigiTV for your number unless you're single and gusto mo rin kumalat ang number mo at magkaroon ng bagong phone pal.
Yes. Right. Okay. So today we're gonna be picking 3 winners, no? Tama ba?
Yes.
And wag nating kalimutan sa mga viewers namin ngayon, what is it na the 3 of us have in common tonight?
Oh.
Yeah.
Anong merong kaming tatlo in common ngayong gabing ito?
Okay. Ano to outside to sa pagiging at home namin. Quarantine. Okay.
Aside from naka-quarantine kami. Tapos yung unang makakasagot, may 100 pesos load din.
Talaga. Saan to? Sa comments, like right now. Yung unang makakasagot.
Live. Whoever comments the answer.
Normally, pag
we were wearing... What was our common theme last week? We were all wearing glasses. Wasn't that?
Glasses.
Yes. Yeah.
We have 18 viewers right now. So we have 20 na. 20. Okay,
you know why? Because my smartphone is crashing. So hindi ko siya ma-share sa watch party ng TV.
Dami nating viewers ngayon, no? 20,000.
Yes.
20,
hi, Riza. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. I miss you, Riza. I miss you. Ayaw diha sa Davao. Sabi daw ni Rafi Ayeng, bunutin niyo ako. Ganun yung pagkakasabi. Bunutin niyo ako.
Anong bubunutin sa'yo? Buhok? Wala na, di ba?
Rafi, Rafi!
Peace tayo. Okay. So, again, first winner natin si Don Eli or Ellie. However you want to pronounce it. We have a live contest now to the 20,000 people that are watching tonight sa atin dito sa Tinig ng Marino DigiTV. Ano ang common sa aming tatlo?
May sumagot na.
Ano? Panalo na
ba? Si Darling. Darling Sample, sabi niya, you're all wearing blue.
Ooh, that was nice. Wow.
Galing! Sir Bante Darling!
Congratulations. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, good job.
Ang bilis ng mata.
Dahil dyan, nanalo ka ng
100 pesos load. So, paki-PM kami, Darls, para unless gusto mong magkaroon ng phone pal.
At bukod sa 100 peso load, nanalo ka rin ng portable washing machine. Yung pwede mo. So you can bring this washing machine anywhere, anytime you want to wash your clothes. Portable washing machine. Pocket size.
What the heck? More like a backpack, carrying it with you everywhere you go.
Wala, tayo na second winner natin.
Okay.
Sige. Share ko ulit yung screen ko.
Sabi ni Rafi, walang hiya ka daw.
Oy, nasa na yun? Ito. Pick the winners. Ito yung list natin. Wobox ulit. Alright, so balik tayo doon sa list ng mga sumali and qualified. So again, I'll pick another winner, ha? Ito na. For the second winner of 100 peso load for tonight, again, dun sa 20,000 na nanonood sa amin live tonight, thank you for taking the time.
Yes.
Tanan! Pick na ba siya? Yun, second winner natin, si Garmel Largo. That's the second winner.
Garmel Largo.
Oh. Garmel, if you're watching or if you watch this video at a later time, actually, ipopost din naman namin ng mga list ng winners after this show. Well, PM us your phone number so that we can give you your prize. Unless, again, sabi nga ni Aryan, unless gusto mo magkaroon ng maraming chatmates or textmates, post mo na lang sa comment yan. At for sure, malay mo, kung single ka, mahanap mo ang hinahanap.
Sabi ni Darling, sir, pwede ba si Sir Osman na lang ang prize?
What do you say about it, man?
Yeah.
What are you gonna say about it?
I got nothing to say, man. Thank you, but not for sale.
Hindi naman. We're not selling you. We're giving you away for free.
It's like an object. So weird.
Yeah. Sabi ni John, kasing laki daw ba ng tabo yung portable washing machine na sinasabi mo?
Actually, yung pinag-iipan natin, no? Portable washing machine o kaya ano pa ba? Ano pa bang mga... Kasi lately talaga kailangan pocket size na eh. No? You bring a lot of your yung mga cellphones, yan, mga importante yan. Cellphones with unlimited battery using a car battery na naka-backpack. Yan, pwede natin pamigay sa susunod yan.
Galing kay Becky Ayeng, pa-shoutout sa mga taga-Barangay Paltok. Barangay Paltok. Hi, mga taga-Barangay Paltok. Good evening sa inyong lahat.
Saan ang Barangay Paltok?
Saan yung Barangay Paltok?
Barangay Paltok.
Becky.
Saan ang Barangay Paltok? Ayun. Guys,
i-google mo na lang.
Oo nga eh. Anyway, siguro it's a nice opportunity to, no, Aryan, kasi di ba it's been a while since we the three of us hang out, no? I think before pa ng quarantine, we're usually together. And for the benefit of those that are watching, we were actually planning on some projects. Introduce na rin natin yung yung Tara Pasyal Tayo, no? The three of us, Aryan, myself, and Osman, we were planning a project, a show here in Tinig ng Marinduque DGTV called Tara Pasyal Tayo. And the idea of this show is to actually visit different places around the Philippines na we can feature and highlight sa show na ito. These are places na relative sa ating mga Marino, and then mga places din na pwede nating mga magagandang lugar ba na bisitahin. So we encourage our viewers, no, if you let's say maging okay na lahat, back to normal na, that you actually give us suggestions on ano yung mga magagandang places na pwede namin bisitahin. Kasi we would really
we can suggest.
Start this
Wait, pwede ba tayong mag-greet muna bago ka magpatuloy? Mayong gabi, Ma'am, from Ranulfo Pascobello in Cebu. Mayong gabi, Sir. Kaya mo ka gimingaw ko sa Cebu, no? Ang chicharon from Karkar.
Uy.
Good evening, Ma'am Arian. Galing kay Edith Anches. Good evening. Galing kay Alma Alforque. Good evening po. Watching from Davao. Ano masarap sa Davao? Di ba yung gusto ano tayo yung durian. Isip ko pa, no? Durian, paborito ko prutas yun, durian.
Durian. I studied in Gensan. Davao is 4 hours away.
Masarap ang tuna.
Right? Lots of cheap, local fish that you can get. I remember I bought like raw tuna from Gensan back in the day. Really good.
Back in the day?
Yeah, back in the day. That was like 5 years ago. That's why it's like back in the day. Yeah, time flies.
Hello from Alma de la Cruz. Hi, Alma. Good evening. Tsaka Joe Guzman. Good evening po. Watching from Imus, Cavite. Uy, malapit lang sa province namin ni Osman yan. Kay Johnson. Hi, Johnson. Hi, SP. Stefan, please. Nawala akong signal, ma'am. Mayong gabi ni mo, Stefan. Okay ra mawala ang signal. Basta ang love life di mawala.
May nakakawala ba ng ng love life?
Ayaw ko, minsan yung iba daw pag na-quarantine sila, imbis na maging stronger, lalo daw nag-aaway.
Alam ko kasi iniiwan lang eh. Ouch.
Okay na nga yung nang iwan kesa nagdadagdag, di ba? Osman can't relate.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, yun nga. Balik tayo dun sa pinag-uusapan natin kanina, no? Yung sa mga places. Guys, kayo, during this quarantine period, no? When we had wala tayong opportunity to travel to different places except probably sa bahay, supermarket, bahay palengke, what's the place that you really miss? Outside of the office, na gusto niyong bisitahin? Nasa list ng niyo?
I start?
Namimiss ko na lugar.
Yep. Osman, what do you miss?
I miss going out with my friends, going to like Makati, Poblacion. Yeah, chilling out in the bars and stuff. Now it's like you're just stuck home and you can't mingle with anyone. Ay. Yeah.
Parties, no? Parties, miss kasi may curfew.
Yeah.
Me, siguro
perks of being single.
Well, that's the sad part about you because you're. That's why it helps to find that lucky person. Ako siguro the closest sa Manila. I've been craving for bulalo, the authentic bulalo, for quite some time now. And usually, ang Tagaytay is the closest place to give you an authentic bulalo, no? Just an hour and a half drive away from where I am at. So sabi ko nga, if ever naging mas maluwag na, hopefully, soon, I will drive over to Tagaytay and give myself a nice bowl of bulalo. Hot bulalo. You guys should.
Ako, namimiss ko, yung isawan sa kanto namin.
Hindi pa ba sila
Hindi pa. Hindi naman ako nakakalabas, so hindi ko alam. Di ba may curfew nga? Galing kay, darling, ma'am, okay na po ba kasi nag-crave ka last time ng longganisa? Hindi pa talaga. Hindi pa ako kukontak pa ako. Naghahanap pa rin ako ng longganisa dyan. So, yung gusto ko yung matamis na longganisa na talagang meat. Galing kay Kuya Junjun, maayong gabi mo diha. Asa ka sa Bohol? Yan, another place that I miss, Bohol. I really, really miss Bohol.
That's one of the places na napuntahan ko na napakagagalang ng mga tao. Okay. So alam mo yun, yung parang laid back, very laid back ang culture, and then napaka-courteous ng mga Boholanos. One of the places that I've enjoyed going to.
You know, Boholanos, may kanta pa nga kung ikaw inday, mangitag pa man hunon, siguro abaya unday ang bulanon. So those who cannot understand, sabi nila, if you're going to look for a spouse, make sure it's a Boholano.
Ooh.
Because Boholanos are very kind. The Boholano will love you forever. Magmahal ka nimo hantod sa kahanturan. Boholanos will never leave you. They'll just add. Just kidding.
But there are tarsiers, right, in Bohol? Or am I mistaken? Bohol have tarsiers?
Yes.
Yeah, I want a tarsier. Aryan, ano ba?
Yes, Aryan, you are our connection.
Tarsier talaga.
Pocket size, di ba?
Tarsier talaga. Wendell, ilan na yung winners natin?
We have two now. One last winner.
I'll share my screen again. Let's pick the third winner. Okay, so tatlo na yung winners natin, no? We have Don Eli, Garmel Largo, and si Darling na nanalo real time for guessing that we're all wearing blue.
Blue.
Which is great.
Because I'm bluer than blue.
Yeah, why did we wear blue for tonight? That's the question. So
because you said you're going to wear blue.
Yes. So we just went with the flow.
Yeah, because we don't want to think about it. Color to wear. Okay. Hi, Emily! Maayong gabi mo. Nakauli na ka diri sa Pilipinas?
Maayong gabi!
Hi, Glenn!
Hello, good evening. Thanks for watching. So we now have 15,000 people watching us live for this.
No, 23.
23,000, huh? Oh, 23,000 people. Thank you for watching. Really good. Ito yung mga yung mga nanonood sa atin, ito yung mga wala talagang magawa paggabi. Pagkatapos ng hapunan. Alam mo yun, hindi pa wala na magawa.
Alam mo, may request ako, Glenn, dahil nanonood ka ngayon, Glenn Mark Velasquez, baka next time pwede mo kaming samahan, tapos ano tawag sa pag-DJ yung
yeah.
Call the twins. Yeah, tugs, ganon.
Party!
Yeah.
Next time, actually, mas maganda siguro, no, when we do these kinds of Zoom raffles, i-open natin yung Zoom link natin to those. Diba, we only have like 23 people right now that's tuning in. Why not join us in actual Zoom call, no?
Yes.
Nakikita. Sige, ganun ang gagawin namin next week, no? You guys will join us as we pick, and then we allow us to actually get to meet you, no? We'll open it, post it sa aming page when we do the next Zoom to pick the winners. Okay, so let's pick the last winner for tonight. Ito na, I'll just pick this button and submit, and it's gonna pick the winner. Tan-tanan! Who did you pick? Tinig ng Marino DGTV. Tayo.
Wow! We win! We all get... Diba?
Kaya nga automatic.
Grabe.
Sabi nga nila, bunutin mo ako.
Ano ba ito? Papanalunin pa ba natin ng...
Just the win.
Naka-postpaid yan, kapatid ko. Naka-postpaid yan.
Jessalyn Willow Canto, grabe, matinding pangangailangan during the quarantine.
Sige, habang nagpipick ka dyan, Ma'am Aryan, please greet us. NJ30, Jalux Bandia. We are watching here in Tagbilaran. Gimingaw, nagyugkog Tagbilaran ba? Gimingaw, nakumbukol.
Okay, eto na.
Okay.
Yun, iba na yung pangalan. Ambit
Marina! Marina! Nanalo si Marina. Alam mo, palaging nanonood si Marina sa show natin. Mga different shows natin. Marina, mayong gabi. Congratulations!
Alright. So again, ito yung mga winners natin. The three winners that we tonight. Drew Eli, Ambit Marina, at saka si Garmel Largo. And of course, si Darling. No? Darling, PM us your phone number. To those that won for tonight, PM us your phone numbers. Again, if you want to have text mates, post nyo lang.
You can put it in the comment section. Okay. Alright. Yes, walang dayan kasi nakita naman talaga na ano. So, thank you for your time, guys.
Welcome, as always.
So, I will see you.
Thank you for those that watched for tonight. 23,000 people watched us tonight live. Just rolling 3 contest winners.
Yes.
Yan. Okay, good.
Okay.
Any announcement? Any announcement?
We're going to have another contest again that we're going to post on. When we're going to post it? When's Saturday ba? Friday?
Normally we post our contests Friday para over the weekend, and then we draw it at this time, Wednesday night. No? So it's just a simple way para at least lang naman pag-good vibes lang ba? Pag-good vibes lang tayo pag mga ganito. Hopefully
Christine is watching. Hi Christine, Yoto. See?
Hi Christine.
Hi Christine.
Si John Paul Alberio. Mayong gabi, John Paul. Regards ko sa imong mama pod.
Yes. So anyway, before we wrap, what are the shows that we have coming up this week?
For Friday, Woman Up will be live. And we're going to have a guest there. And he's a doctor. He's going to talk about how our bodies should be coping. Kasi diba, like now, naka-quarantine tayo and we don't have time to exercise. So, isang ano niya is to really encourage people to move around. Kasi diba pag naka-quarantine, kasi you have nowhere to go, ang tendency is to just lay down palagi or to sit. So he's going to talk about the importance of like moving around. And then of course on Friday, since we're live, yung mga may gustong itanong sa mga updates, connected dun sa mga protocol ngayon, Attorney Mel will be there. Yung may gustong ilapit na mga questions tungkol sa mental health, nandun din si Dr. Suzy Rojas. And then kung meron kayong budget questions, mga tips na gusto ninyo, nandun din si Mrs. Andrea Daguno. And then syempre, for holistic living, si Miss Isabel Can. And then on Saturday po, live po tayo, kasama naman natin yung Woman Up Bisdak Ladies, kasama si DJ Jackie, ang jewelry designer na kilala ngayon sa Visayas, si Christine Vertusio, and syempre si Konsehala Aina Loy from Leyte.
Yung powerhouse lagi.
Yes, and on Monday, live kami ni Attorney Mel kasi magbibigay ng mga updates si Attorney Mel kasi ngayon paiba-iba talaga ng update, paiba-iba ng protocol. So Attorney Mel will help yung mga may questions, ganyan. And then Tuesday, of course, is Kapihang Marinero.
Yun. Grabe yung powerhouse na lineup na yun. Ibang classic. And exciting. So guys, we have a lot of exciting shows up ahead over the next few days. So tune in lang. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, just click on that like or follow button on your Facebook app, no? Para at least notified kayo when we go live, when we post videos, when we create something, contests like this, aware kayo. And you can also follow us on YouTube, no? We have a YouTube channel. And if you want to contact us, send us a mail, you know, and you want to get Osman's phone number, you can actually send a message directly sa website namin at www.hinignangmarino.com. Anything to say, Osman, before we end this?
Oh, thank you everybody for having me, and
okay.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Good night.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.